Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reduce background noise of our video on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my project on my Inshot application, and for example guys, I'm going to reduce the background noise of this video. First of all, we can click on this volume button or volume option right here. And if we want to reduce the background noise or the noise of our video, we just need to click on the noise option right here. Then we can click on the check mark, and this is the result. And I'm going to show you the before and after. This is before I denoise it. And this is after I denoise this video. And I know that the difference is not totally big or significant, but at least it sounds better than if you are not satisfied with the result. You can save this video first. Then after you save this video, you can import this video to your Inshot project again. Then you can denoise it. You can do the step many times until you get the best result. And I'm just going to create a new project. We can import the video we have just saved. Click on this check mark, then we can click on this volume button, and then you can denoise it one more time. Okay, and that's how we can denoise our video on Inshot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.